Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia, and this has the advanced livery, which I personally love because of the color scheme. It's simple and it's contrast and it looks really beautiful. I mean, this particular livery looks beautiful in every car. So I do have a Mitsubishi Lancer which I didn't unbox it, that is by Hot Wheels, and I think I do have one or two more. I don't remember it exactly now again, but I do have. Okay, so I'm really happy that I got this one. So I got this thing from one of my friend, not from any site. So personally I bought this for 1400. Yeah, so I'm not sure about others how much they paid. I know, but some people got it for very less, like 1200 or so. If you got for that price, I'm really happy about that. But if you bought for more than like 1600 or 1700, then that's not really good. Okay, so the box is a little bit, like squeezed here. It's a bit damaged here. The side also not sure how. So this is how we actually got. I hope the model doesn't have any damage. Okay, here it is. Let me just put this in. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, so casting wise it looks nice. So the metallic black and with metallic red, but you can see some scratches here. Honestly, that is really heartbreaking, man. That is really disappointing. I never expected this from MiniGT. So as a fan of MiniGT nowadays, it is really disappointing to see these kind of things very often, because out of this I think the fifth casting which I unboxed. So I think this is a second one which actually has some kind of paint issue. See, there are a lot of dust as well. I'm not sure why we are getting dust on a closed box. Okay, let me see if I can do something else. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just cleaned it up a little bit because I'm not sure the dust is from the cloth which I'm using, but it does. This one did had some dust before I used the cloth, so I just used some lens cleaning liquid to clean it up a little bit. So as you can see, okay, the casting looks really good, but I just noticed a scratch here. It is not really good, and so the rims looks really nice. So the rubbers are made of, sorry, tires are made of rubber. Okay, so the chassis has some nice detailing to it, which is really, it does look really awesome. So overall it looks really a beautiful model, and you can see the acrylic inserts for the tail light as well. So this looks really nice, and you can see the acrylic inserts for the headlight as well. So the grill details and everything is there. And again, you guys are wondering, this rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of silicone, which is really you know irritating me, to be very honest. So these things cost a lot, but they could have added metal or at least plastic inserts instead of having this you know silicone. I'm not sure whether you guys can able to see this, but there is something here on top of the can see here, right next to the door handle on the left side. You can see, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like some paint issue or something. Let's see on the other side how it looks. Okay, this side it looks really worst. I'm not sure MiniGT is getting carried away nowadays because they are selling so much now. So this is honestly really disappointing, guys. I was excited to get this casting, but this small issues which is really making me really fucking frustrating, to be very honest. Okay, let's do a roll test. Let's see at least whether it does something. Okay, at least it rolls really well. It reached there. Let's try it one more time. Okay, I don't know how I did the first time. Let's see. Okay, at least it rolls well. That is good. But it does have nice interior detail to it, which is these are really nice. The roll cage and everything you can see. But I'm really disappointed about the paint job on most of the castings which I unboxed this week. Maybe the Revolto looked really nice. I never had any issue, and that Liberty Walk Nissan, that does look really nice. Maybe I don't see much of an issue there, but even with the Rexy, specifically with the Performante and this one tops the chart. Man, that is really disappointing. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.